Yes, it's a happy day and a good one as well. I have a special information to pass out. You know, some might not know while some might have known, but maybe might be careless over it. Just pick it from here. Very important. In few, it's not even up to 2 hours from now, we'll be having the fundraising for the welfare of the redeclaration of our sovereign nation, Biafra. So meanwhile, if you have not been like supporting, it is very, very, very important. You know, when I say not just one very, but several of it, is to know that how important it is. You know, most of the time people we are like, when they come into space or any other platform, what they are looking for is there any news that is out, so that they will start to discuss it. Just like this soccer, football that took place, a lot of people were saying a lot of things. You can see that our PM doesn't have time this time. He doesn't have time, even though that he will just play some of the that he happens to. But if you know how he used to post, you see that he's not even like, he has a lot of more important things to focus on than to like. So those ones you are just seeing, it might not be topic for you to start rating, to tell you that he doesn't have time now. He's focusing on something that is important than things that are useless. Meanwhile, the participation in this is very, very, very crucial and important, vital one. So if you have not been supporting, this is opportunity for you, because people will narrowly escape. I'm telling you, freedom is not free, and a lot of people are still not understanding it. Some are like, hey, we are together. After all, you don't know how we were. When you want to talk to them, they will tell you that if you know that you are not more Biafra than me, that we are the people that is carrying it on our head. If you are carrying it on your head and now you are no longer carrying it, how do you think that you will receive the prize of the winner? When you are like, you started it and be like no one else, but now you are like nobody. You are still reminding yourself or reminding somebody that is telling you to come and continue moving. You say no, you cannot do it more than I have done it. It doesn't make any sense, or neither does it reward you. Because if you are doing any work and you have been doing well, perfectly well in the beginning, along the line you break. Okay, let me take for run people that are taking risks, something like that. You are on a field and you are taking participating. You started it very well, you passed everybody, and along the line you fall. Instead of you to get up and start continue the run, you say that after all they cannot run the one you have run. Then who will get the prize? Think about that. Because of most of these people that are always like, did you know how we are the people that started this? If not for us, this movement, you don't even know how we are doing it before. Yes, that's good. Bravo, kudos for your past glory. What about the present? Always have in mind that the end of everything matters. If you have not reached to the end, then those ones you have done before will be useless. It will be useless. So think about it. That's your effort. That's it that was in you. What then happened now? Now that we needed it most, because this is injury time. This last time that is about to be over, a lot of people will miss this heaven. Because when you hear about end time or rapture and all these things, it's about to happen. History is about to repeat itself, but we are still seeing it in another way around. But to those who will hear and take repent or change their way of attitude towards this freedom, to them I will just say congratulations, because many people and many will not get it, while many will as well change their way of castigating this, or talking things that is saying things that is against it. People will still notice that where we are standing is there is no road. The road that they are following is leading to their destruction. So this one that will save you, why can't you rethink? All the while, what you have been participating is where you were be having a kind of discussing things that doesn't matter. Things like whether football, they are not Chinedu, and they are not Ifeanyi, Chibuzo and Co. You did not see Chibuzo, you did not see Ikenna there. What you are seeing is maybe Kenneth or other ones that you don't know where they come from. Is that your problem? Even is hiring people, is it against the law in this? But it's not my topic today. The topic of today is that we have fundraising. One, the most important among this discussion. Because if you think that freedom is free, is a thought of mistake. And ignorance is not an excuse. I'm telling you now as advice. I'm telling you now to make you to understand. Maybe if you don't, in case you don't know, I am here to clear that confusion, because a lot of people are like still like no problem, if you have go and do it, when it come we will join. Is it that way that you have it in mind? Anyway, no problem. The only thing that I want to let you know is that every work has pay. There must be a wage to your work. And remember what I said before. If you think that when you are working and you did not finish the work and leave it, that thing has spoiled. Even if you are cooking, you are like at the center of the food, you did not finish, everything has spoiled. It's even better that you did not start it at all. What you know that you're not finished, it's better not to start it. That's why I so much love our lead. Even in that, the difficulty that is facing, you know the benefit of finishing the work you started. That's when you fall, you see at the middle that all that you have suffered will be in vain. He even preferred to die, but God forbid. He preferred that instead of him to, but let it come. Instead of it not to come, even if it will lead to his death, he has said it. How will you not understand that you don't need to drop because of the difficulties along the way? Meanwhile, the PM that we have today, in the person of Mazi Simon, our honorable minister, Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa, have been making us so proud that even if you are weak, you will get up by force. Even if you are not seeing, you will see spiritually. If you are not hearing, in fact, everything, not only by physically, it is happening spiritually. Physically, mentally, academically, socially, and otherwise. People are getting it now. It's only those who refuse to accept the truth, because only the truth will set you free. When you begin to look deep on how far this man has gone, you will not have mouth. You'll be calling him your God. Yes, I am saying it without compromising, or maybe feeling anyhow for it. If we can be little gods, I am seeing him as God. If not for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon, where would we? Let us not miss this opportunity. Wait, though we will not miss it again. God have done it, and to him be the glory. This that he started is almost about to be over. It's just to let you that you should not be left out. Don't allow yourself to be left out, because you will regret it in time to come. There is no other place that you have your safety than this freedom, than this movement that will take you to a permanent joy. Any other one that you are having from any other place, for those that feel that they are in abroad, it will not give you the joy you have to be in your house. If you overstay in somebody's house, you will lose your respect. Get it well into your brain and begin to rethink. For those who think that they don't care because maybe they're in abroad or they have dual citizen, it will not save you when the time comes. Even if you have dual citizen, it is not the joy you have as a nation, because as a citizen of a nation, as in from that place, you can never compare it with a foreigner being a citizen. It's not the same. You must be aware of all these things. So to bring it to nutshell, put something, support. If you have not done it before, do it today. There is link in the space. Don't miss it. If you miss it, sorry will be your name if you are part of us as a nation. Thank you.